What are easy methods to reduce morning blood sugar levels? If you wake up with high blood sugar levels, you're not alone. Many people experience this due to the body's natural overnight processes. When blood sugar is too high in the morning, it can make you feel tired, thirsty, or slow. Over time, frequent spikes can lead to serious health issues like diabetes complications. The good news? Simple changes in your diet, routine, and lifestyle can help bring those numbers down. Let's look at easy and effective ways to lower morning blood sugar naturally. Watch the video until the end for tips on why blood sugar spikes in the morning. 1. Eat a balanced bedtime snack. A small protein-rich snack before bed can prevent blood sugar from dropping too low overnight, reducing the chances of a rebound spike in the morning. Try a handful of nuts, a boiled egg, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese. These options provide protein and healthy fats that help stabilize blood sugar. 2. Drink water. First thing in the morning. Staying hydrated helps flush out excess sugar from the bloodstream. Start your morning with a glass of water before eating anything. Adding a squeeze of lemon can also support metabolism. 3. Walk or exercise. After dinner, a short 10 to 30-minute walk after your evening meal can help your body use up extra sugar instead of storing it overnight. Light exercise, such as stretching or yoga, can also improve insulin sensitivity. 4. Avoid late-night carbs and sugary snacks. Eating heavy carbs before bed can lead to high blood sugar in the morning. Instead, focus on meals with lean protein, chicken, fish, tofu, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, fiber-rich vegetables, spinach, broccoli, bell peppers. This helps keep blood sugar stable throughout the night. 5. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep affects hormones that control blood sugar. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Keep your room dark, avoid screens before bed, and maintain a regular sleep schedule. 6. Try apple cider vinegar before bed. Some studies suggest that drinking a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in water before bed may help lower morning blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity. Always check with a doctor before trying new remedies. 7. Manage stress levels. Stress increases cortisol, which raises blood sugar. Simple relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or journaling before bed can help keep stress in check. 8. Have a protein-rich breakfast. Skipping breakfast can cause blood sugar to rise later in the day. Start with a meal rich in protein and healthy fats, such as scrambled eggs with avocado, a smoothie with protein powder, nuts, and seeds, plain Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Why does blood sugar spike in the morning? Blood sugar levels rise in the morning due to a few reasons. 1. The dawn phenomenon. Early in the morning, hormones like cortisol and growth hormone signal the liver to release sugar for energy. This can lead to a spike in blood sugar before breakfast. 2. The Somogyi effect. If blood sugar drops too low overnight, the body releases extra glucose as a defense, leading to higher levels in the morning. 3. Late-night eating. Eating too many carbohydrates or sugary snacks before bed can raise blood sugar by morning. High morning blood sugar can be frustrating, but small, simple changes can make a big difference. Eating a balanced snack, staying active, drinking water, and managing stress are easy ways to help keep your blood sugar steady. Start with 1 or 2 tips today and see what works best for you. Watch the next video about everyday habits that influence your blood sugar levels. Kindly subscribe to the channel for more health and nutrition tips.